Everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the toString method. This toString method is what a predefined method in object class. Okay, here toString method is predefined method in object class. What is the significance of this toString method? See, if you want to represent any object as a string, toString method comes into existence. See here, whenever you try to display any object, okay, whenever you try to display any object, then toString method comes into existence and it is going to return some string representation of an object. String representation of an object. Okay, see here, the toString method returns the string representation of the object. Okay, see here, I'm going to take one example. Okay, let's say class, okay, bus, okay, class bus. Okay. Here, string, here, private string model, private string model. Sorry, this is variable, right? Yeah, private string model. Next, private int number of wheels, number of wheels, private double cost. Okay. So these are the three fields I have declared, and here I'm going to generate a constructor to initialize this field. Okay, to initialize this fields, I'm generating a constructor. Okay, source generate constructor. Yeah, here I have generated constructor like this. Now, simply what I'm doing is I want to create a constructor. I want to create an object. Bus obj1 is equal to new bus of. Here you need to pass three values. First one is model, XYZ model, comma, number of wheels, 20, sorry, number of wheels, let's say 8, comma, cost 50 lakhs. Now I'm going to display sysout obj1. Directly you are printing obj. Now what happens? Whenever you try to display an object, what happens? See, bus at the rate some string representation it is going to return. Right. Okay. Now what I'm doing is here I'm calling toString method explicitly. Here I'm calling toString method explicitly. Again, it is displaying same. Even though you are not calling this toString method explicitly, okay, automatically toString method called whenever you try to display an object. Now, toString method is used to what display the string representation of an object. Then why we are talking about this object, this toString method? Because here, whenever I display this obj1, it is displaying what string representation. Instead of that, I want to display some meaningful information whenever I try to display what the object. In this case, what you need to do is simply override toString method. Okay, here public string toString. See here, now what I'm doing is return. Okay, return something. Here I'm returning something is the value. Now see here. So previously toString method is called from predefined object class that returns string representation of object. Now you have overridden this toString method. Now it won't go for what your superclass object. By default, superclass is what object for every class. Okay. Now here toString method returning what something here. See, instead of string representation of an object, it is returning something. Okay. Now here, instead of something, what I will do is I will return instance variables of the class model. Okay. Plus number of wheels plus cost. Like this, I will display. See, like this. Okay. So here, the significance of toString method is toString method returns string representation of an object by default. String representation of an object by default. Instead of but a string representation of an object, if you want to display some meaningful information about the object, whenever you try to display the object, then override this toString method and return whatever the meaningful information you want to display whenever you try to display an object. So this is the what significance of toString method. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Yeah, please subscribe my channel.